until it's becoming mature, and then they have some type of structure and tissues that you can use to clean your body. But this is we consider it as a vegetable, and they eat a lot. Use it for chopstick. This is lamb. I like it very much, but not always like that because crystal and if we have it in the fridge. Normally we have about every 2 or 3 months we have, or 2 months sometimes. But when I'm in Australia, my wife tries to prepare it for me. Could be once a week or twice a week. I like to use at home. I do like to use hand. It gives me more tasty. Okay. The first time, I like it. It's Australian. 我喜欢用手吃，没有办法，我是半土人。听过鸡没有？养鸡是那种肉鸡哈，我告诉你，还不是半土鸡，我真的是土鸡，适应力比较强。